Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study from chapter 6 lines and angles, exercise 6.3 question 6. In figure, the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. If the bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at point T, then prove that angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. So, try to understand the question first. The side QR of triangle PQR. So you have a triangle PQR. This red color you see. Okay. So triangle PQR and that side QR, this is the side, is produced to a point S. So this side is produced to the point S. If the bisectors of angle PQR and PRS, angle PQR, okay, this is the, if the bisectors, so PQR bisector is this is the one bisecting. Bisector meaning is what I have already told you. Bisector meaning is, and bisector means the line that will divide the angle into equal parts. So here the QT becomes the bisector, meaning this angle is equally divided into two parts. So if the bisectors of angle PQR and PRS, so this is one angle. For this bisector is this, you can say TR or RT. This line divides this angle equally half. So if the bisectors of PQR and PRS meet at point T, okay, so this is a bisector and here this is a bisector. For this angle bisector is this, and for this angle bisector is this. So this, both the blue line meet at point T, so they are bisectors, meaning to say this is bisector. They are trying to tell that this line is dividing this angle equally half and this line is dividing this angle equally half. Then prove that angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. So we have to prove that angle QTR. So we have to prove that this angle is equal to half of QPR. So we have to see for this angle is half of this angle. That means this angle is smaller. This is bigger. Half of this is this. We have to prove here. So let's start now. So first of all, I'll shade this triangle. Okay, I have shaded this triangle so that it becomes easy for you to understand. Now you look at this triangle TQR. So this shaded triangle. Okay, so in triangle TQR, angle TRS is exterior angle. So if you see this shaded triangle, for this shaded triangle, this angle becomes the exterior angle. Angle TRS is exterior. I have taught you in the theorem 6.8, I told you that when line is produced here, this X becomes the exterior angle. For this is exterior angle, then opposite to that interior angle, sum of this angle will become equal to exterior angle. This is theorem 6.8 we studied. So that means A plus B will be equal to X. X is the outside, this exterior part of the triangle. So same way here, if you see this angle becomes exterior angle for this triangle, shaded triangle that you see. For this becomes exterior angle. So that means this angle and this angle, sum of these two angle, this angle and this angle. So sum of these two angle will be equal to this angle, or you can say for this angle, that is TRS, for this angle will be equal to sum of these two angles. So that's what I'm going to write. So for angle TRS is equal to angle TQR plus angle QTR. Same thing I have written. Okay, TQR, this angle, and then QTR. So this angle. So for this angle is equal to sum of these two angles according to theorem 6.8. If you want, you can write here theorem 6.8. Okay, so now let me bring this to this side. So just modify. When it is in plus, when it comes here, becomes minus. Then let us keep this here, angle QTR. Why we are keeping? Because something we have to prove here. Angle QTR is equal to half of QPR. So because of that, we keep it this like this and keep this as equation 1. So now let's come to this triangle, that is red color that you see. Okay, I'll shade it so that it becomes easy for you. So I have shaded. So now in triangle PQR. Okay, now in triangle PQR, for this triangle, now exterior angle is which one? This red color that you see. Okay, so angle PRS, this red color that you see. For this shaded triangle, this becomes the exterior angle. So PRS is exterior angle. So if this is exterior angle, then can we write for this exterior angle, that is PRS, will be equal to sum of these two angle. So same way we'll write down. So that means angle PRS will be equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Same way, for this exterior angle will be equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. This angle and this angle, sum of these two angles will be equal to this exterior angle. So that's what I have written here as we have written the first part. So now just pay attention now. Now this PRS can be write 2 times angle TRS. This PRS can we write like that? You will be wondering why. TRS is where? This is PRS. Okay. Now TRS is what? TRS. Okay. So PRS is, this whole thing is PRS. See, this whole thing is PRS. Okay. This angle PRS. Whole thing is PRS, but then it is said that this is the bisector. In the question we know that is bisector. So if this is the bisector, that means both the angles are equally half they are divided. So that means this PRS we can write 2 times of TRS, because this equally divided. This is both are equally divided. So that means PRS is equal to 2 times of TRS, this angle, 2 times. Can we write? So that's what we have written, 2 times TRS. So same way PQR. So PQR is which one? PQR also is divided equally by this bisector. So this equally half of divided. So PQR also we can write 2 times TQR, this angle. So this full angle, right? This whole thing equally divided. So that means can we say that this angle is 2 times of this angle? So that's what we have written here. We are going to write. So PQR also you can write 2 times of TQR. Okay. So let's keep this as it is now. Plus angle QPR. So now let's bring this side. So 2 TRS. This comes this side, then becomes minus TQR. And this let us keep it QPR. Okay. Up to here clear? So now let's remove these two common. So we remove common. Then we write down TRS minus angle TQR equal to angle QPR. Okay, so now you see see that equation 1 now. Angle TRS minus angle TQR is equal to angle QTR. So can you see here now? TRS minus TQR. TRS minus TQR is equal to QTR. So instead of this, can we write down QTR? So from equation 1 you can say. From equation 1, this 2 write as it is, but inside this, instead of this, we will write angle QTR. Okay, equal to angle QPR. So now this 2 bring it to this side, then you will have angle QTR is equal to, when 2 comes this side, goes to division, so we can write half angle QPR. So if you see what we are supposed to prove, angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. So angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. So hence proved. Hence proved. That's it. Thank you. God bless.